Okay, Nothing Phone 3A series users and 2A series users, make sure you update your device to this latest build of NothingOS 4.0 because it brings some useful changes and removes that bloatware part. So here I have my Nothing Phone 3A on which I've already received the OTA update. You can see NothingOS 4.0. If you guys haven't received, just go to this software info section, tap on NothingOS, and here you should see an update for your particular device. It's rolling out for Nothing Phone 2A series and 3A series, and it comes with a December security patch update. And I think for Nothing Phone 2A series, the update size is somewhere around 123 or 150. You can take a look at the changelogs. They have mentioned a lot of changes here, but there are few things which they haven't mentioned. First, we'll talk about them in this video. But before that, guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So the first change which they haven't mentioned in the changelogs, and that's under Intelligent Toolkit. If you see here under features, they have added a new option called Essential Key Settings, which wasn't available on the previous builds. Tapping on it, you get two new options. One is disabled when the screen is off or locked. So if this thing is enabled and if the screen is locked, the essential feature won't work. Here you can see I'm pressing the essential key and nothing happens on the screen. After that, if you see the next thing which says activate with single tap before use. So this was a lot required change. Many times accidentally essential space used to get triggered. But now it won't happen anymore because they have given an option to single tap before activation. So now if this thing is enabled, first you need to single tap and within 2 seconds you need to again tap to trigger essential space or else it get reset. So here you can see if I press now and after 2 to 3 seconds if I again press the button, the essential space doesn't work. So a very nice add-on done by Nothing. And after that they have also mentioned neither of the above features will affect the normal activation of flip to record. And the next thing which they haven't mentioned, that's in the lock screen settings. So previously we had that lock screen glimpse which was added by Nothing and it was like lock screen magazine itself. But now finally they have removed this thing also after a lot of feedback. So these are the two changes which they haven't mentioned in the changelogs, but you'll get them on your Nothing phones after installing the December security patch. Now let's talk about the changelogs one by one. The first change is related to battery percentage. Previously the battery percentage used to appear outside, which you can see here. But now after this latest update, you can see battery percentage appears inside the battery bar. But one thing which I did not like for example, if you see the status bar here, battery percentage is inside battery bar. But if I pull down the control center, the battery percentage again goes out. It's a very minor change which they would have done it with this update itself, but I don't know why they haven't done it here in the control center. And while charging the device also you'll see this difference. Previously this is how the charging animation used to look, and here they have completely redesigned with the latest update where that thunder icon is inside the battery bar, which was on the edge of the battery bar on the previous build. And also now we get to see the percentage icon, which wasn't the case before. And this is how it appears in the status bar now. The battery percent and thunder icon inside the battery bar itself. And another change related to battery bar. So if you are inside the battery section, and now whenever you enable the battery saving mode, instead of getting that plus icon, this is how it appears. Previously we used to see the plus icon on the edge of the battery bar. That has been removed and now it looks more clean. After that they have improved the smoothness of volume slide while using with the keys. And yes guys, you'll notice a slight difference in the smoothness while increasing or decreasing the volume. After that they say they have optimized the extra dark mode. So here personally I did not get to see any noticeable change while using the extra dark mode. If you guys have noticed, let me know in the comment section below. Then they say they have also optimized the sound wave and the wheel animation in the recorder for a more fluid experience. And yes guys, here you'll obviously notice a difference. So towards the left hand side you can see this was the recording done on the previous update, and towards the right hand side I'll start the recording and I'll play the video over here also. So if you take a look at the graph over here, it gradually pops out, unlike before where the wave was constant. And also if you take a look at the wheel, the animations are more fluid compared to the previous one. So this is the another change what you'll notice on your device. After that, if you guys are using two SIM cards, you can set different ringtones on your Nothing phones. So if you go to sounds and vibration settings, under ringtones you can see slot 1 and slot 2. So from here you can change the ringtones for both the SIM card. After that they have also mentioned about the vibration feedback optimization, but here also I did not find any noticeable change. And then if you see, they say optimize the power consumption during the rear video recording. So guys, accidentally I restarted my device while the update was already installed and I wasn't aware, and accidentally I restarted the device. So I don't have the comparison, but I did record a video of around 11 minutes which was 4K 30 FPS video. And here in this video, when I started recording, the battery percentage was 66, and when I stopped the recording, the battery percentage was 62%. So 4% of battery drain I noticed in around 10 to 11 minutes. If you haven't updated, do cross check and let me know in the comment section below how much battery drain you see with the 10 minutes of 4K 30 FPS video recording. After that also we do have some other camera changes, but as said, I accidentally restarted the device, so I don't have the option to compare now, wherein they have fixed the wrong focal length or location issues and also fixed issues like face getting blurred. But I did click the selfies, I did not notice any kind of blur issues with the front camera. You guys share your experience after updating your Nothing Phone 2A and 3A series to this latest build, and let me know whether you want a detailed review of this build or not. So guys, this was all about the latest update for Nothing Phone 3A and 2A series. If you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.